Let's talk about LUNC. Now, Terra Classic have really increased this month, and Terra Classic have also given hope to Terra Classic holders. Now, don't sell your Terra Classic coin once Terra Classic current market cap doubles. Yes, if we hit over 1.1 or 1.2 billion dollars cap, don't sell. It means that Luna definitely is going to hit $5 billion by $5 billion market cap by 2024 ending. Now, I'm happy because of Terra Classic. Even Binance founder CZ have also come out to say good things about Terra Classic. Now, Luna, even though some coins right now are also going down, but the past 24 hours Terra Classic is on green. I'm happy to see Luna is on green, and now in 7 days Terra Classic have also gained over 7 to 10% increase in price, which is amazing. So I'm happy. Now, one thing I love about Terra Classic is for the fact that every day we keep getting good news about Terra Classic since this month, since the beginning of the month. Right now, Wells are about to invest millions of dollars into Terra Classic. I can't wait for that to happen because I believe that will also help us to burn more coins. Now, also, Terra Classic community have also did a kind of social media engagement, asking people to predict what they think about Terra Classic price within the next 3 years, which is by 2026, and majority of the prediction we are positive. Yes, majority of the prediction we are positive. So many people believe on that 1 cent, and others believe that Luna will only delete 10 in the next 3 years. But the one most people went for was 1 cent. Few people choose $1, and I was like, okay, people have actually given that thought. Remember, what people are thinking about Terra Classic right now will definitely give them hope. What they feel that majority of Terra Classic holders, community, crypto communities are thinking about Terra Classic prediction within the next few years will definitely help Terra Classic. Assume the prediction was not good, you see some people might be start losing hope on Terra Classic, thinking that even in 3 years the coin is not going to do well. How am I being shocked? Or majority of many people actually believe the coin is not going to rise in 3 years. But in this case, so many people believe that Terra Classic is going to rise. A lot of people voted for rise, and I'm happy to see so many people. I think over 7,000 votes showing that Terra Classic future is good. And I don't know why a lot of people actually choose Terra Classic to rise in 3 years time, and majority of them choosing 1 cent. I see some people choosing 0.001, meaning Terra Classic can delay 1 or 2 zeros, while some few also choose $1, that Terra Classic is going to reach $1. But whatever it may be it 500% rise, be it 1000% rise, the most important thing here is that I am happy that Terra Classic community will keep on supporting this coin. I'm happy that Luna community believe in the future of Terra Classic, which means that in 3 years there's a possibility for the coin to reach 1 cent. And I can't talk about $1, but I will start talking from 1 cent below. Let's say below 1 cent, which is we are just about 3 zeros ahead. Okay. And I believe that if we keep on this support and show more support towards LUNC, we can do it. Terra Classic can reach that in the next 3 years by 2026. So one important thing is to have to know the mind of the people. One important thing to know the mind of traders, to know the mind of experts, to get the mind of holders, what they think. So it means a lot of people might be ready to even keep investing or even live and stake or store their Terra Classic in 3 years time, because a lot of people will be like, okay, some people have actually choose social number of time. So I know that so many people that also voted might not even hold Terra Classic coin, but at least there is hope that this coin in future definitely going to rise. I'm happy with the recent vote for Tuna Classic price prediction. Well, let's hope for the best. Remember, this is not the financial advice. Thank you once again. I remain your loyal boy, Ike Chukwu Collins.